Hanji, very good morning to one and all present over here. Today, 22nd of September 2021, Wednesday morning, going to discuss further explanation for the chapter role of government in the health. And in the concept, yesterday we have done what is health, how the democratic country ensure the parameters, and what kind of medical facilities are available at what level India is in the medical field, and actual paradox, actual condition of the medical facilities for the Indian people. That the problems we have discussed. Now today I would like to give further you can say explanation and understanding to you about the concept public and private healthcare services. So जैसा कि नाम से ही पता लग रहा है, public health services means the services which are ensured by the government. Private health services, the services which are ensured by the local common people, individual person with the motive to earn profit. So here we will going to explain about the comparison study about the public services and private health services. So the public services are the services which are insured by the government and they train in dealing the common illness. They are trained to give the you can say training to deal the common illness, work under the supervision of the doctors in the rural area, that are PHC and CHC, that is primary health centers and public you can say community health centers. So here two questions are there. Full form of PHC. Please note down. अपनी रफ नोटबुक निकालिए, रफ नोटबुक निकालिए, कंपैरिजन लिखिए पहले तो पब्लिक, and this question we have done in the book notebook also. So take out your notebook. Public health services and private health services. Got it? They are provided by the, क्या लिखेंगे? नंबर 2 यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? Sorry. They are insured by private doctors in their hospitals. They ensure facility in the rural areas. They provide facilities in the urban area. They do not prefer to set up their centers in the rural area. ठीक है? They ensure, यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं, they provide services in the urban areas. Third is their motive is to welfare. सबकी वेलफेयर करना, ठीक है? Here the motive is the motive of private health services earn profits. Fine. I hope it is clear. Okay. So here the training is being done and supervision of the doctor. Here the training is being done and the supervision under the doctors are given in the rural area like PHC and CHC. State government is keeping a control of public health services. State government is keeping the control of public health services. Fine. And private understanding, all the equipment, all the technology like X-ray, scanning, everything is being available in that area, but at high cost. Here, low cost, आप कर सकते हैं, the services provided here are with low cost. Here, services are high. And what section of the society can afford? All sections of society. यहाँ पर लिखिए all sections of society can afford. ठीक है? Here only rich section of society can afford. I hope it is clear. Can you do? Learn हो गया? क्या learn होने में time लगेगा? हो गया learn बेटा जी? हाँ जी बेटा, can you do all the points which we have discussed? Saisha, Harshit and Tanish. Government ensure
Yes,
right
ma'am.
to life to every person. Government ensure right to life to every person, and court has court is also giving protection. Which article deal with right to life? Article 21. Excellent. The court is also having a duty to provide necessary health services, including the treatment in the emergency. Hospital and medical staff must fulfill their duties for the necessary treatment. Hakim Sheikh get the necessary treatment in number of the hospitals? No. So he was having which you can say health, which facility through that he can ensure his health facility. वो कहाँ गया था? He go to the court. He went to the court. उसने किया था ना, केस किया था कि नहीं किया था? So case is being filed up by him, Hakim Sheikh की तरफ से, because to get or against किसके किया था? State government के. Because state government's health services were denying to take the case. Okay, so that was to give the money and had to spend on the treatment. So when the case was being totally heard, सुना गया, तो उसमें उसको हकीम शेख को क्या हुआ था, ही वॉज अलाउड टू टेक मनी from and hospitals were supposed to pay money for his treatment. Okay, can you tell anyone full form of CHC? Dheeraj Bagga. CHC. अभी मैंने बताई थी. Full form of PHC. Taran. PHC. और ये मैंने लिखवाई भी हुई है. And it is there in the paragraph, first paragraph. Aditi. Yes. Primary health center. लिख लीजिए प्लीज. PHC प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर, CHC कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर्स. इज इट ओके? आर्टिकल 21 मीन्स राइट टू लाइफ. Okay, what is the what do you mean by generic? Generic name. Generic. The it is given on page number 26. The medical doctors should write the names of the medicine with their generic name so that the prescription of the drug can be given as per the generic name. No any kind of pharmaceutical company or private company should get the benefit of that. Okay? So the doctor must ensure generic name of the medicine, not any specific pharmaceutical company's name. Okay? So what is you can say, what are the medical ethics? Medical ethics. This is given on page number 26. Look on book, page number 26. Left hand side, one box. Medical Council of India, Code of Medical Ethics. Every physician, physician कौन है? Doctor. Every doctor, as far as possible, prescribe the drug. कोई भी medicine देनी है, that should be given only with the generic names and shall ensure that a rational prescription of this drug should be given. ठीक है? How much percentage of the population is able to afford the medicine? 20%. 20%. So this question can also be asked. Next आ जाता है, even who are not able to get the reported study, dash percentage of the population is admitted in the school, hospitals for some illness. 40%. ठीक है? And they supposed to borrow the money. अगर 40% लोग हॉस्पिटल्स में एडमिट होते भी हैं हमारे इंडिया में, तो हाउ दे एडमिट? दे बोरो द मनी and sell their, you can say, any article or any valuable thing. Can the poor people afford private hospitals? No. And that create dash and dash. An anxiety and distress. Please note down. Fill up a. Poor people cannot afford private medical facility and it create dash and dash. An anxiety and distress. So the worst condition again and again, poor are the first place undernourished. Families are not eating much as they can and they are not providing basic necessity like किस तरह की problems है? Safe drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings. So ये 3 point, all the poor families are deprived and facing the consequences of safe drinking water, clean household, and clean surroundings. So they are more, you can say, fall ill as experienced to the other person. So the expense of illness make their situation more. यहाँ क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, how poor people's health make them more worst. क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए, how poor people's condition make them more worst. कैसे more worst बना देता है? As already they are deprived, they do not have basic facility like safe drinking water, surroundings, and you can say housing. So, and again they fall ill, make their condition more worst. ठीक. Which things make the poor people more worst? Which things make the poor people more worst? They cannot afford private institutes. पहली चीज तो ये है, they do not have money, they do not have nutritious food, they do not have clean water for drinking, they do not have clean household and clean surrounding. These parameters are already existing, make them ill. Again, they cannot afford heavy bills of the private hospitals, make them more distress and anxiety, and make their situation more worst. Can you write? लिख सकते हो? So, who are considered to be more vulnerable? अब यहाँ पर आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा मैंने क्या बोला. Who are considered to be more affected with the health in the family? Women. Who are affected more in the family of a poor section, that is women, because they are working very hard, they are getting very less food, and they are becoming more. Sometimes gender distinction is also there. Many tribal areas have few health centers and they do not run properly. Even private health services are not available in the remote area, make the condition for the women's very worst. So what can be done? क्या करना चाहिए हमें? क्या कर सकते हैं? More hospitals should be opened, more medical facilities should be provided, health low cost for the essential generic name of the medicine, है ना? Health services. Can you write 5 points? धीरज बग्गा, क्या करना चाहिए कि हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज प्रॉपरली अवेलेबल हो? What should be done to make the health conditions more, you can say, effective or more comfortable for the common people? हाँ, लिखो बेटा. Start writing. Harshit, Sasha, Tanish. Start writing. Hanji. What can be done to ensure health situation in our country? What can be done to ensure health in our country? Number 1, it is the responsibility of the government to ensure health services in every area. पहली चीज तो यही है कि भारत के सरकार की ड्यूटी है, ठीक है? Health services should be provided to all the citizens irrespective of their, you can say, area, irrespective of their economic background. Health is depending upon the basic amenities. Health is actually depending upon, अब suppose आपके घर में 4 दिन से लाइट ना आ रही हो, can you feel healthy? नहीं, तुम लोगों को कहोगे मम्मा हर काम के लिए मना करेंगे, पानी मत यूज करना, लाइट नहीं है, ठीक है ना? These are, और तुम लोग इतने फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो कि हम बाथरूम भी ना जाए, है ना? और तुम लोगों के अंदर एक एंजाइटी, एक फियर, और जिनको 2 टाइम बाथ लेने की हैबिट हो, पानी ना आ रहा हो, तो वो प्रॉब्लम जो है आपकी हेल्थ के ऊपर आएगा या नहीं आएगा? सो हेल्थ कैन बी इंश्योर्ड बाय प्रोवाइडिंग द बेसिक अमेनिटीज, basic necessities, and that basic necessities are clean drinking water, good environment, clean surrounding, एंड बेसिक फैसिलिटीज लाइक आपके सराउंडिंग्स में जो है वो बेसिक फैसिलिटीज होने चाहिए. एग्जाम्पल मैंने दे दी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, रोड कनेक्टिविटी. अब आपके घर के बाहर रोड कनेक्टिविटी अच्छी ना हो तो कैन यू फील सिक्योर? नो. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ना है, कैन यू फील सिक्योर? नहीं. बट दीज सर्विसेज कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड ओनली बाय द गवर्नमेंट. So health is much depend upon the basic amenities and social condition of the people. So healthcare services should also be ensured available in the all section of area. ठीक है? Is it okay? Now two cases are there which are given in our chapter, the Kerala experience and Costa Rican approach. केरला उसमें आंगनवाड़ी जो है बनाई गई to provide the basic, you can say, facilities and ensure the health services. और कोस्टा रिकन साउथ अमेरिका में वहां पर क्या किया गया? they spend more on the basic things as compared to the military expenditure. So these things are actually ensure that health facilities can be done by the government. ये दोनों अप्रोचेस जो है फटाफट रीड कर लीजिए. ठीक है? विल यू बी एबल? जल्दी से करिए बेटा. बेटा रीड these points. Kerala experience and Costa Rican approach to ensure health services.